I'm Veda Priscilla from the Department of English. Today we'll be seeing the topic culture. First, let's see what is culture. The word culture is derived from the Latin word cultura, which means to cultivate. It refers to the shared beliefs, values, customs, behaviors, traditions, and artifacts that characterize a group or society. Two definitions of culture are given. The first one is given by T.B. Taylor. It states that culture is a complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, customs, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by the man as a member of society. And the nature of culture. Culture, it is learned. Culture is transmitted. It is shared, it is symbolic, it is adaptive, culture is dynamic. And every society, it has its own culture. Culture, it is integrated, it is man-made, and transmission of culture is automatic. Culture, it is universal. And let's see the topic cultural lag. Before looking at what is cultural lag, it is important to know the classification of culture. The first one is material culture and the other one is non-material culture. Material culture, what is material culture? It consists of visual and material objects such as tools, weapons, machines. And non-material culture, it involves the cognitive and normative system which includes values, beliefs, habits, knowledge, manners, traditions, etc. And now let's look what's cultural lag. And the term it was coined by William F. Orwell. It refers to the period of time it takes for non-material culture such as values, beliefs, norms to adapt to changes in material culture such as technology, invention, physical artifacts. The gap between material culture and non-material culture, it is called as cultural lag. Conservation of culture. What do you mean by conservation of culture? That is preserving cultural heritage, tradition, language, custom, art and knowledge. And it is done through various methods such as cultural institution. For example, museum, libraries, archives and cultural centers. And traditional practices such as rituals, festivals and legal framework that is done by government and organizations who enact laws to protect cultural landmarks and intellectual property. And then the next topic is development of culture. Development of culture, that is evolution of cultural practices, ideas and artifacts over time. And the factors that drives development are innovation, that is new technology, ideas and practices that leads to cultural transformation. And social change, shifts in societal values, political structures and economic conditions that influence culture. And globalization, that is the exchange of cultural practices and ideas across borders can enrich and diversify culture. Transmission of culture. How do you transmit culture? First, let's see what's transmission of culture. It is a process by which culture is passed from one generation to another generation across societies. And the methods are family. Under family, we have parents, elders, and then we have education, like formal institutions like school that transmit cultural knowledge, history and social norms. Then socialization. Through everyday interaction, people learn cultural practices, rules and expectations from their community. Media, television, books and the internet play a key role in spreading cultural ideas and influencing perceptions. Thank you.